It is time to do the alphabet cheer. Remember, language plus motor equals memory. Here we go. A, apple, A, ape, A. B, bird, B. C, cow, C. C, cereal, S. D, dog, D. E, egg, E. E, easel, E. F, fish, F. G, goat, G. G, giraffe, J. H, heart, H. I, igloo, I, ice, I. J, jacks, J. K, kangaroo, K. L, lemon, L. M, moon, M. N, net, N. O, olive, Ah. O, oval, O. P, porcupine, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, ring, R. S, sun, S. Tree, T, tree, T. U, umbrella, U, unicycle, U. V, volcano, V. W, whale, W. This next one's tricky. It is a xylophone, but we're going to say x-ray. X, x-ray, X, because that's the sound X makes. Y, yawn, Y. Z, zipper, Z. 5 of our letters are special. They are called vowels. You are correct. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Great job, boys and girls.